Welcome to PlayFACTO School, where education goes beyond the books. Parents choose us for our holistic approach to education and our deep commitment to the all-round development of our students. At PlayFACTO School, we believe the key to enriching engagement lies in our low teacher-to-student ratio. Our nurturing environment encourages students to interact and learn together, fostering strong relationships and a supportive learning environment. Our educational strategy is anchored in the PERMA framework, focusing on positive emotions, engagement, relationships, meaning, and achievement. We are devoted to nurturing our students emotionally, socially, and intellectually, preparing them not just for school, but for life.
I've always been passionate about shaping young minds. We focus on character building and emotional well-being, preparing our students to be resilient and skilled in dealing with life's challenges. I continuously educate myself and work to understand each child's unique needs, ensuring our approach is personalized. Team building is essential for a motivated and well-trained staff, creating the nurturing environment we are known for. One experience that truly highlights the impact of positive education involved a student who faced challenges in teamwork. By applying what she learned, she became more open to collaboration, showing improved communication and cooperation skills.
So I chose PlayFACTO School for its holistic development approach. The cozy and warm environment, along with the caring teachers, makes it really a home away from home for my child. So my children love the teachers at PlayFACTO. They treat the students with love and respect. Knowing his homework is well taken care of really gives me a peace of mind. So as a busy parent, PlayFACTO helps me spend quality time with my child. The assurance of his time is well utilized in learning new things and interesting things. That's why I recommend PlayFACTO to all other parents.
We are impressed with the attention our child receives due to small class sizes, ensuring more support. I also appreciate PlayFACTO School's dedication to fostering emotional intelligence alongside a strong community feel. Moreover, the diverse enrichment programs offer our children opportunities to explore a wide range of interests, contributing significantly to their personal growth. PlayFACTO School's focus on well-being, nutrition, and active parental involvement reassures us that our child is in a supportive, engaging, and healthy learning environment.
Education has the power to make positive impact. At PlayFACTO School, our philosophy goes beyond academic learning, focusing on 21st century skills and life skills. We emphasize on the well-being of every child and the development of character strengths, so that every student can thrive and flourish in life.
Join our Islandwide open house to discover the PlayFACTO difference.